Hello. Applications of microorganisms. Introduction. Hello. Applications of microorganisms. Introduction to microorganisms. The unicellular or multicellular organisms which cannot be observed by our naked eye when taken as an individual are known as microorganisms. Groups of microorganisms. Number 1. Bacteria. Characteristics of bacteria. They are unicellular and microscopic. They have different body shapes like coccus, vibrio, and bacillus. And the special thing is they are widely spread in every type of environment on Earth. Examples for bacteria: Lactobacillus bulgaricus, milk and products related to milk, Vibrio cholerae. Now let us move into next category of microorganisms. Number 2. Fungi. Characteristics of fungi. They are unicellular or multicellular. Reproductive organs OS and fungi can be seen with naked eye. Examples: mushroom. Examples for fungi: Muca, Saccharomyces. Third category of microorganisms is protozoa. Characteristics of protozoa. They are unicellular and microscopic. Use structures like cilia, pseudopodia, and flagella for locomotion. Examples for protozoa: amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Our next category of microorganisms is algae. They are unicellular or multicellular. They have two body forms named thallus and filamentous. Microscopic algae floating on the water surfaces are called phytoplanktons. The special thing about algae is they possess chlorophyll and have the ability of photosynthesis. Examples for algae: Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. At last but not least, we have viruses. They are electron microscopic. They display both living and non-living features, and they have not a cellular organization. They multiply only inside the living cell. Examples for viruses: HIV, dengue virus, Ebola virus. Now let us move into the extraordinary part of our topic: applications of microorganisms. Applications of microorganisms in agriculture. Number 1. Gene technology. In agriculture, crop harvest is enhanced and enriched by producing drought-resistant and pest-resistant crops and crops with high nutrients and taste with the aid of microorganisms. Further, biological pesticides and weedicides are developed using microorganisms. Genes of the bacterium Awinia iridovora is used in developing golden rice enriched with vitamin A. Genes of bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis is muted in the maize genome to produce toxins to crop pests. Number 2. Nitrogen fixation. Even though 78% of nitrogen exists naturally in the atmosphere, plants have a limited ability to absorb it directly, but Rhizobium, a type of bacteria that lives in the nodules of legumes such as beans and peas, has the ability to absorb atmospheric nitrogen directly. This is known as nitrogen fixation. Now let us move into applications of microorganisms in medicine. Use of microorganisms to treat the diseases caused by another microorganism is very common in medicine. Microorganisms are used to produce antibiotics, vaccines, and antitoxins. Producing antibiotics. Chemicals produced in the body of a microbe to destroy or sabotage another microorganism are known as antibiotics. Fungi and bacteria are used to produce antibiotics. Antibiotics can kill bacteria and fungi, but they do not fight against infections caused by viruses. Although antibiotics are not much harmful to humans, they can cause side effects if used without medical advice. Penicillin, amoxicillin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are used against bacterial infections, while griseofulvin is used against fungal infections. Producing vaccines. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe or from its toxins. Now let us move into applications of microorganisms in industries. Various strains of microbes are used for research and economic benefits. Using microorganisms in industrial activities for economic benefits is known as industrial microbiology. Microorganisms are commonly used in following large-scale and small-scale industries: producing dairy products, producing biogas, metal extraction, products based on plant fibers, producing alcohol, producing vinegar, bakery industry. Producing biogas. A mixture containing organic materials such as straw, cow dung and water is used to produce biogas. Anaerobic bacteria such as Methanococcus react on these organic surfaces and produce biogas. Biogas mainly consists of methane gas, therefore it can be used as an energy source. Metal extraction. The most simple and effective technology used for the metal extraction from low-grade ores by the use of microbes is known as bioleaching. Uranium and copper are such two metals that are extracted by bioleaching. In this video, you will find out about microbes, their types and their value. So, I hope this knowledge was important to you. Goodbye, and hope to see you again. Hello.